Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Let me introducing myself. My name is Virginia, and the purpose of my presentation today is to tell you how to become an independent woman. If you have any question you want to ask, please have it until the end, and I will be happy to answer that. In today's presentation, I'd like to cover 3 points. The firstly, what is an independent woman like? The secondly, signs you are an independent woman. And the last point, tips on how to become an independent woman. Okay, now let's talk about what is an independent woman like. An independent woman is someone who has the ability to take care for herself physically, emotionally, and financially without relying too much on help from others. They have strong self-confidence, a willingness to take initiative, and the courage to pursue their dreams and goals. Okay, now let's move on the second point. And the second point, we will talk about signs you are an independent woman. The first point, financial independence. Independent women are able to manage their own finance well. They can budget, save, invest, and plan their financial future without external help. 2. Self-confidence. They have confidence in their own ability and worth. They really rely on external validation to feel good about themselves. 3. Emotional independence. Independent women are able to handle their own emotions wisely. They can manage stress, anxiety, and pain effectively without having to rely on others to provide them with emotional support. 4. Openness to growth. Independent women are open to learning and growing as individuals. They are ready to accept new challenges, take risks, and change themselves to become a better version. 5. Independence in relationship. Independent women do not depend on a partner or romantic relationship to feel complete. They can live happy and fulfilling lives on their own without having to depend on others. And the sixth, dare to take risks. Independent women are not afraid to take reasonable risks to achieve their dreams and goals. They understand that failure is part of learning process and are ready to face it. Okay, now let's tell about the 3 point on or the last point about the tips on how to become an independent woman. Okay, first, know and accept yourself. Self-awareness is the first step to becoming independent. Get to know your strengths, your weakness, interests, and values. The truth, educational and personal development. Invest time and effort in education and self-development. This could be a course, reading, or new experience. 3. Communicate effectively. Learn to communicate clearly, firmly, and diplomatically. This includes the ability to listen empathetically and articulate ideas clearly. Fourth, stay flexible and open to change. Independence does not mean being stubborn or unwilling to change. Stay flexible and open to learning from new experience. 5. Stay committed to your goals and values. Determine your life goals and carry them out with determination. Consistency and persistence are the keys to achieving success. And the last point, dare to take risks and learn from failure. Don't be afraid to take reasonable risks. Sometimes a step outside your comfort zone is what is necessary for, for growth and achievement. So that concludes my presentation. Now, if I can just summarize the main point, independent women don't always possess all these traits perfectly, but they work toward independence and strengthening themselves every day. Developing independence takes time and consistent effort. Remember that every small step toward independence is significant progress. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thanks for your listening and for your attention. Finally, I'd like to end by thanking you all for listening today my channel about the how to become an independent woman. I hopefully the presentation can bring your beneficial and of course you can be an independent woman. If anyone has any question, please feel free to ask them and I'll do my best to answer. Okay, thank you for your attention today for my presentation. I'm Virginia and see you.